Good evening to everybody.
Good evening, sir.
So, those students who can switch on camera, it will be better. So, last we were talking about the combinatorics problems we are discussing. And we basic counting we did. Okay, how to do the counting and including and excluding principle. Now going further, there will be the concept based questions where the arrangement and selection also will be done. So those kind of the questions we are going to deal in. But before that, I will give a little bit basic idea so that everybody should be on the same track. From n different objects, if you have to arrange R objects, be clear, I'm saying different object, not same object. Arrange R objects, then the number of way will be what? NPR. I'm not giving derivation and all those things. It's just giving the brief point on what concept basis I'm going to discuss the question. That will be NPR. And what is the NPR? N factorial divided by n minus R factorial. That will be called as the NPR. NPR means number of permutation of n object taking R object at a time. Similarly, if there is imagine if a particular place have restriction, then always, yes, somebody raising hand, tell me.
Sir, I cannot hear you, sir. Can you please increase the volume, your volume?
Okay, just give me a second. I'm just increasing the volume. Is it okay now?
Little better, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So if a particular place have restriction, then always start, this is the very important point, always start filling object from that place only. Object from that place only. Means either object or place, does not matter. Wherever there is a restriction, so that job has to be done first. If you remember last class, we're discussing about the job, how many ways we can do the job. So,
sir, I was not able to hear the previous part, sir. Can you please explain that?
Pardon? I didn't get you.
Sir, I was not able to hear the previous parts you had explained now, sir. Can you please repeat?
See, this is a 1 hour class. How can you can ask the recording? If I will start repeating, then the time will go in that way only. So please ask recording to them.
Which chapter is it?
Pardon?
Sir, which chapter is it?
This is the combinatorics.
Thank you, sir.
So, and if suppose there is if I say that there is an object like this, A, B, C, D, E, I have to arrange them. So if there is no restriction, I will say total 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because the arrangement of these two is not allowed. Whenever objects are identical, their arrangement will not be allowed because they will not give you different looks. So 6 factorial by 2 factorial will be there. And with the question, I will explain you the concept behind the question. So let's start with the question. We have to do at least 10-15 questions in a day. As all of you are aware, this is the problem solving session, not theory session. So everybody try and give me the answer for this question. Every question maximum 2 minutes or 3 minutes I will give. In chat box, you can give the answer. Nobody got. How many number each lying between 1,000 and 10,000? Let's start solving. Can be formed by using the digits this, no digits being repeated. So between 1,000 and 10,000, it means that is the 4-digit number, 100%. Because between this number means it cannot be 10,000. It has to be below 10,000. So before 10,000, then the 4 times no. Yes, 2 people given the correct answer, Raghuveer and Hamaza. So this is the 4-digit number I have to form it. By using only these digits, repetition is not allowed. So why there is a restriction on the first place. First place cannot be filled by the 0. So this place I can fill by the how many ways? 5 ways. And balance 3 places, no restriction. So either you can fill one by one or directly you can say, now I am having this 1 digit gone here. Repeat digit is not going to repeat. So total we are having 6 digit, 1 digit already gone here. So 5 digit left. So these combined, we can fill it by 5p3. Yes, Rivav, correct. So answer will be 5 into 5p3. Or you can say 5 into 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 5 factorial is the 120 divided by 2 to 60. 5 into 60, it will be 300. I'm sure everybody understood. If you don't want to use formula, then also you can do. It's not an issue. You can do directly also. Simple, normal, no formula needed. This place cannot be filled by 0, so this place can be filled only by 5 ways. This place, anything can come, but whatever digit came here cannot come here. So this will be again 5 ways. Then this is the 4 ways, and this is the 3 ways. So 25 into 12. So that will be 300. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. The next question. Similar kind of question. This time I have maximum people can give the answer. Similar question. Maximum 3 minutes I will give. No, Arudra, something mistake. Yes, Raghuveer is correct.
Sir, the digit of numbers is 4 or 3
That you have to
in this question.
between 300 and 3,000. So 3-digit number also can be happen, 4-digit number also can be happen. Yes, Rishabh, correct. Ribhav, sorry, Ribhav. Hamza, no, there is a mistake. Shreyank, correct. Check this question. Find a number between 300 and 3,000. Yes, Shreyank, correct. between 300, between 300 and 3000 means numbers can be either 3 digit or it will be 4 digit, but with restriction. Not all 3 digit number. I want number bigger than 300. That means this place cannot be filled by 0 or 1 or 2. This place can be filled by 3. 3, 4, 5 means 3 ways. Either 3 can come or 4 can come or 5 can come. This place, no restriction. Anything can come. But whatever digit came here cannot come. So that means total 6 digit we are having, only 5 is allowed. And here 4. So that will be 60. And this place you can fill by, again, 4 digit. 4 digit, again, the restriction is there. Lesser than 3000. That means this place either filled by 1 or 2. It cannot be 3. So this place can be filled by 2 ways only. This place, no restriction. So we'll say that this place can be filled by 5 ways. This is the 4 ways and this is the 2 ways. 3 ways. To 12, 60 and to 120. So this will be 120. The total number of way will be either 60 plus 120, means 180. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. The next question. This is a damn simple. By mistake, I given this question, but okay. Yes. Yes, Rivav, correct. Say I'm correct. Nikhil, mistake. This is a very simple question, right? Unnecessary, I give it. 3 digit number is only there because between 400 and 1000. That means now this place can be filled. Number should be bigger than the 400. So this place 4 cannot come. What can come? 5 can come, 6 can come. Only 5 and 6 can come. So this can be filled by 2 ways. And this place, no restriction. Total 6 digits, 5 ways. This place, no restriction. And here, what can come? 4 ways. So something wrong I did?
Sir, first one should be 3, right? 3 ways. Because 4, 5, 8.
Are of 3 digit only. First one can be either 2 can come or 3 can come. Oh, 4 also can come because this is the 4 bigger than 400. I'm sorry. 4 also can come. So this will be 60. I'm sure it's clear to everybody.
Sir, can you explain this, sir? I didn't understand.
Number between the 400 and 1000. So 400,000, what the number can be happen? 4AB something, or 5AB, or 6AB, or 7AB, but 7 is not there, 8 is not there. So either this place only, either 4 can come, or 5 can come, or 6 can come. So this is the 3-way can be filled. And this place, anything can come, doesn't matter. So this place can be filled by 5 ways. Why 5? Because whatever digit I use here, I will not use. And this place 4-way can be happen. So that will be total 60. I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
The next. Two part of the answer is the two answer you have to give. Give with the comma. First answer, comma, second answer. Yes, Nikhil, first answer is correct. Comma, second answer you also have to give. No, Shreyans. It's a mistake. Yes, Raghuveer, it's correct. Yes, Hamja, correct. Okay, let's do. Arudra, there is a mistake. How many six different numbers of 6 digit can be formed by using these digits? How many different numbers of 6 digit can be formed using the digits 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 digit number? So that will be equal to your 6 factorial. I'm assuming it's not, digits are different. I'm assuming digits are not repeating. Although it's not mentioned, I guess. No, it's a mention. You form with the digits this. They already mentioned that only these digits should be used. So it means by default, it will not be available. So 6 factorial. Why 6 factorial? Or you can say simply 6p6. That is also 6 factorial. That will be 720. How many of them are divisible by 6? Any number? Yes.
Sir, it is not given that they cannot be repeated.
No, but they are mentioning that key can be formed with the digits. Means only this is available. And you are forming 6 digit number, so surely you have to use all 6.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. How many of them are divisible by 6? So 6 digit number 3, 4, 5, 6. Divisible by 6 means what? That number should be divisible by 2 as well as divisible by 3. Then only it will be divisible by 6. So how will get the things key number divisible by 6?
Sir, the number will always be divisible by 3 because
Number should end on 4, 6, or 8.
Yeah, watch it. Any number divisible by 6 only when the sum of digit is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Any number divisible by 3 only when the sum of digit is divisible by 3. So we are using all these digits. What is the summation of this? Let's see. 9 plus 6, 15, plus 7, 22, plus 8,
69. 39.
39. And 39 is divisible by 3. So whatever number you form, doesn't matter. All these numbers are divisible by 3. Only thing we have to make sure that the number should be divisible by 2 also. The number divisible by 2 only when the last place is the even digit. So this place can be filled by either 4 or 6 or 8. 3 ways. And rest, no change. These combined, we can fill it by 5 factorial. So 3 into 120, so that will be equal to 360. Means there are 360 numbers which will be divisible by 6. How many of them are not divisible by 5? So first find how many divisible by 5. Divisible by 5 means last place should be either 0 or 5. But we don't have 0. So this place can be filled only by 5. So one way, this place can be filled only by 5 means only one way I can fill. And this place I can fill by anything, doesn't matter, except 5. So this will be filled by 5 factorial. 5 factorial means 120. 120 into 1. Or you can say 120. Means there are 120 numbers which are divisible by 5. And total number 720. So not divisible by 5 will be what? 720 minus 120, that will be 600. So first bit answer 720, second bit 360, third bit answer 600. Any part you want me to re-explain or couldn't understand?
So the last one.
I want that key, how many of them are not divisible by 5. So what I did, total number 720. Out of 720, I subtracted those number which is divisible by 5. How to check which number divisible by 5? So last place should come 5. Then only the number divisible by 5. So
Okay.
this place I can fill only by one way. Balance 5 place and 5 digits, 5 factorial way. The total 120 numbers are there, which is divisible by 5. So I subtracted from here, I got 600. I hope it's clear.
Yeah.
Next. Very simple question. Whenever they give the digits, it means that you have to use only that digits only. All the digits should be used. Yes, Nikhil correct. Ambrish correct. Shreyans correct. Very simple question. You should not take this much time. How many 6-digit number can be formed by using this, in which 5 always occur at the 10th place? Means I have to find the 6-digit number. This place can be filled only, 10th place. 10th place can be filled only by one way. Rest 5 place can be filled by 5 factorial way, 5 factorial into 120. Very simple, straightforward question. Next one. Okay, let me check what the answer given. They are asking sum of numbers. Sum of number will be very big. Remember, you are giving, I think, numbers. You have to tell the sum of numbers. What will be all, if you add all the numbers, what will be summation? That's what they are asking. No shares. Little bit calculation will be there. Let's try to do. Find the sum of all the number greater than the 10,000 formed by the with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. No digit being repeated. It means I have to consume all these digits. Total, how many digits are? 5 digits. Means we are going to form the 5-digit number. We are going to form the 5-digit number. 5-digit number. And we don't have to find how many numbers. We have to find out what is the summation of the number. How to find summation? It's very simple. First, check that key. What are the digits can come at the unit place? How many numbers will be there where unit place will be 0? Anybody, please answer this question. How many numbers will be there where unit place will be 0?
24.
Yes. 24 numbers are there, unit place 0. Similarly, the numbers where unit, how 24? Because this place can be filled by 4 factorial. How many numbers are there where unit place will be 1? Sorry, 2.
Yes, sir.
Where unit place will be 2. Think, just see how many way we can arrange this. To balance, how many digits are there? 0, 4, 6, 8. 0 cannot come here because restriction is there. So this place I will fill first. So we can fill it by either 4, 6 or 8, 3 ways.
18 ways. 18 ways.
Yeah, this place again can be filled by 3 ways. This is the 2 ways, this is the 1 way. So total 18 means unit place, all the summation of the unit place will be what? Sum of unit place. 0 is coming 18 times, sorry, 24 times. This is the 24. 24 times 0, 18 times 2 is coming, 18 times 4 is coming, 18 times 6 is coming, 18 times 8 is coming. 0 anyhow, forget it. But if you add all the unit place, we'll say 18 into 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Agree, everybody? Is this make sense?
Yes, sir.
So this will become 10 and 10, 20. So 20 to 18, 360. Means sum of unit place will be 360. Similarly, sum of 10th place will be what way?
3,600.
10th place summation. 10th place summation I want to get. I can say same thing. 10th place summation also will be same thing. Why same thing? Because here 2 can come how many ways? 18 times. 4 can come 18 times, 6 can, 0 can come 24. 0 how many times coming? Doesn't matter. So sum of 18 10th place will be also 360. Sum of 100th place also 360. And 1000 place is the slightly tricky. 1000 place. Think carefully. 1000 place, first I will, how many numbers are there where the unit place will be 2? I will say this place can be filled by, 5 places. This place can be filled by any ways. Which total we are having 3 to 5. 4 ways. This is 3 ways. This is 2 ways. This is the 1 way. I think I did correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So 24 ways. Unit place 4, 24 ways. 6, 24 ways. 8, 24 ways. 0 anyhow cannot come. So sum of 1000 place will be 24 into 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. And that will become 20, 22 for 24, 48.
Sir, this will be for the 10,000th place, not the 1,000.
Unit 10th, 100, 1000. Yeah, 10,000. I'm sorry. 1000 will be here.
1,000 will also be 360.
Yeah, that will be 360 because there is a similar symmetry. Now, sum of number is what? Nothing but the just place value. You have to multiply 360 into 1 plus 360 into 10 plus 360 into 100 plus 360 into 1000 plus 24 into 10,000. So S will be equal to, I am going to use calculator 360 into, if from here 360 you can take common, you will get 1111 plus 24 into 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 zeros. So S will be equal to, I will just use calculator. So it's going to be somewhat, just a minute, 360 into 1111 equal to 399,960, 399,960, 399,960 plus 24, and this summation will become plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 639960. My answer is not matching with the book answer. I don't know. Somewhere some mistake maybe happened. Calculation, can you please check, everyone? Book answer is given 51,999,60. 51,999,60. This is the book answer is given. I don't know, somewhere some mistake I did, or maybe book did mistake. Twenty-four into 20, 480. Why I wrote here 24 into 10,000? This will be 480 into 10,000, no? This will be 480 into 10,000. I think I taken this one only. I'm sorry, it's my mistake. 480. This summation is what? This summation is the 20. And 20 into 24 we have to do. So that will be equal to 480. So 480, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4800,000. I think answer will become still problem. 399,960 plus 48,002. Yes, 51,999,60. 51,999,60. Yes, we are getting. All of you understood what the mistake I did. I just taken 24 into 10,000, but it should be 480 into 10,000.
480.
So this is the answer. It's correct. The book answer is correct. I hope it's clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
The next question. Okay, some people give an answer. 625 is the answer. Yes, Nikhil, there is a problem. Ambrish got, Shreyang got, Vibhav got. Remember, 625 is the answer. How many four-digit number can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when repetition above? That's a very simple question. Four-digit number. This place can be filled by 5 ways. This also 5 ways. This also 5 ways. This also 5 ways. So total will be 5 power 4 means 625 numbers can be formed. Repetition is allowed. That's the reason. Next one, this. Get the answer quickly. Be clear, only one option you have to select in the question. Either A or B or C or D. Multiple choice doesn't mean that more than one correct. Only one correct answer. Yes, Ambarish is correct. Yes, Ribhav correct. Arudra correct. Riyans correct. Okay, let's see. It's very simple question. In how many ways 10 question can be and multiple choice? There are 4 choices. If no two consecutive question can be answered the same way. So by first question, I can answer by 4 ways. And second question, only 3 ways. Because if you mark whatever you mark, that cannot be marked the second question. Third question, again 3 ways. Because whatever mark here, we cannot mark it. So this 3, fourth also 3, fifth also 3, sixth also 3 ways, seventh also 3 ways, eighth also 3 ways, ninth also 3 ways, 10th also 3 ways. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9. So 4 into 3 power 9 will be answer. Correct. Next. Quickly. Okay, Ambrish, give me an answer. Ambrish, the last you multiply, that is wrong. It should be. Yes, yes. Now Ambrish is correct. See, whenever the some objects coming together, this is another type of questions. Whenever some objects comes together, take them as a single object, like 10 Indians. Let's say 10 Indians. So I will take them as a one box. 10 Indians are there. And 5 Americans are there. Take them as a single box. And 5 English man is there, E1, E2. I'm just giving name like that, E5. I will assume they are the single object. So they will always come together. So total how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 3 objects. So that can be arranged in 3 factorial way. And here Indian can do internal arrangement. How many way they can do internal arrangement? 10 factorial way. And they also can do internal arrangement 5 factorial way. And this also can do in the 5 factorial way. This will be answer. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Whenever two or more than 2 objects are coming together, it should be taken as a single object. Yeah, Amrish, it should be mentioned on a circular table. A dinner table is not necessary. Whenever there is a starting and end point is there, it will be row arrangement. The next one. Yes, that's correct. Ambrish, 5 will be what? 10 to 20, 20 into 24. Yes, correct. Ambrish, correct. Check it. Simple question. 6 different words. Black, white, red, green, violet, yellow. I have to arrange in a row. Yes, Raghuveer, it's correct. Nikhil mistake is there. So that all can be arranged. So that black and white may never come together. Remember, whenever 2 objects from a group never come together, to always follow gap method. What is the gap method? First, see where is the no restriction. Then the restriction on what? Black and white. To black and white, forget for time being. This and this I'm forgetting. Arrange these 4. So this can be arranged in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. Now, between them, how many gap is there? I will say that there is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gap. In this 5 gap, 2 object has to be placed. So that will be 5p2. Remember, it doesn't matter the number of object is what. Suppose I say there are 10 objects and 3 places. How many way we can arrange? We'll say 10p3. If I say there are 3 objects and 10 places, then also 10p3. So there are the five possible places and two objects of 5p2. So this will be 24 into 5 factorial divided by 2 factorial. So that will be 12 into 5 factorial 120. That means 480. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. The next question. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I did not understand. Could you just explain that again?
This RGVY arrangement 4 factorial, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
I have to place black and white so that they are not together. So what I did, I just put the mark here. It means this is the possible position. If I will place here, they will never be together. Maybe you are placing here and here, so this place will become empty. V and Y can come together. Let them come. So I'm having 5 possible positions for the B and Y, black and white. So if there are the 5 places, think carefully, and 2 objects, let's say A, B, how many ways we can arrange? This A can go in 5 ways, B can go in the 4 ways, 20 ways we can arrange.
Oh, fine.
So that's what we have said. I hope it's clear to everybody. Next. Similar question. You can leave answer in terms of NPR and factorial. No need of full calculation. No, Amrish, how you are getting 0? A similar question, right? There is no restriction on the yes, Shreyans, correct. Boys, so let's arrange the boy. Boys can be arranged by 6 factorial. So if you arrange the boys, B4, B5, B6, how many positions for the girls? Girls may come here, 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 may come. Total 7 positions. So in these 7 places and 4 object, 7 places, 4 object. So we'll say 7P4 is the answer. Finish. Do we and everybody clear?
Sir, can you explain what 7p4, like how is it done? Like how do we calculate that?
Okay. Means are you talking what does mean by NPR?
Yes, sir.
NPR means number of arrangement of n object into R places or number of n places and R object, whoever is bigger. Suppose if I say I'm having 4 letter A, B, C, D. I want to arrange into the 4 places. So I will say object 4 and places 4. So 4P4 will be answer.
And
Or
so calculate the value.
value will be NPR value will be n factorial divided by n minus R factorial. Factorial, do you know?
Yes, sir, yes.
Yeah. If you don't want to use formula, then also you can do. There are 4 girls. So first girl I will say that is suppose G1. I will tell G1 to go and take your place. G1 can be placed by the 7 ways. And G2 can be placed by 6 ways because whatever the place G1 taken, G2 will not take. And G3 can be placed by 5 ways. And G4 can be placed by 4 ways. So this answer can be said this way also, 6 factorial into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Same thing. I hope it makes sense.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. The next one. Exactly same question, just to make you understanding about the gap matter. Yes, Amrit is correct. Rudra correct. Wait, 5 main can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial into, if 5 mains are there, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5. So there will be 6 places for the women. But out of 6 places, we have to arrange only 3 women. So we'll say 6P3. This will be answer. Next one. Quickly. Similar question. First 16 rupees will be arranged. That can be 16 factorial. Whenever 16 rupees you keep it, you'll get the 17 gap. Out of that 17 gap, 12 paise we have to arrange to 17P12 will be your answer. Now, a repeated object, if it's coming, how we have to handle that? So we have to see. Repeated object. Repeated object, I'm sorry, this is identical object, not repeated object. Check this. First thing, C is separated. So this part you leave it. We'll do that later. D, E, what is this? This is also C, no? I think with the E. It's a E. It's a printing mistake. It's a E. So how many objects left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 factorial divided by, because they are repeated. So they cannot interchange. Their internal arrangement of this is not allowed. So 4 factorial Internal arrangement of this is also not allowed. 3 factorial. Internal arrangement of this is also not allowed. 2 factorial. This is the arrangement of the except C. Now, total how many object is there? 11. 4, 3, 7, 3, and 11. So 12 gap will come. Whenever 11 object, 12 gap. The 12 gap, we have to arrange 3C in that. In how many way we can arrange? First C can go by 12 ways. And second C can go by 11 ways. And third C can go by 10 ways. Should we say like this or any change, anybody? Number of letters I wrote correctly. Number of letters I wrote correctly or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why 11 is coming? It's saying 1, 2, 5A, but where is the 5A? There is the 4A, no? Just a minute. I think something I did not notice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is only there. Yeah, okay. I hope you understood. The same logic I applied. First, I arrange that one and then balance for the C can be arranged this way. So this will be the answer. So in the next class, combinatorics will continue. We will be talking about the selection-based questions. This question, I have doubt somewhere. I think the question is not very much correctly clearly mentioned. We'll discuss from this point.
Sir, I think the C over there could be an A.
Pardon?
Sir, I think the C in the end could be an A. That's why there's some typo error or something.
Yeah, some error is there. I'm not able to see that one. It's okay. In a row, something is there. Don't worry. But the logic is that one. The gap method means first arrange wherever there is no restriction and then fill the gap.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell me.
we don't have access to any of the recordings for the previous classes. Can you share them?
Reshma, can you please come take care of this part?
It's not available in the WhatsApp group, sir.
Reshma, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. The Ardra is there. She's having difficulty.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Ardra, Reshma will speak to you now after this session. She will address your query. Thank you to all of you.